When I'm out, everywhere I go, I always see the small details around me. Even though I didn't have much sleep, even though I know my day is gonna be very busy, I can't help it. I just need one look. That's how my brain is wired. That's certainly why I'm a TV journalist and not a newspaper journalist. And sometimes when I have nothing but my phone on me, no accessories, no tripods, well, I still can make it happen. If you want to know how I made those shots, sit back, relax, and I'll show you the behind the scenes of it all. Bonjour my fellow high-tech fans, welcome back to my channel. If we don't know each other yet, bienvenue. My name is Celine, I'm a TV journalist and my YouTube channel is all about high-tech. Now that we know each other, let's get going. Everything, from my little speech to the shots, were made with two iPhones, the 12 mini and the SE 2020. First of all, for my statements, I only use one light that is facing the green screen. My face is lit by daylight that comes through the windows. You don't specially need a green screen. Behind it, I have a white wall. It could also do the trick. I used my Osmo Mobile 4 on my tripod. It's definitely not necessary. I only wanted to use the beauty face option on the Mimo app to make me look, well, less tired, to be honest. Now, about the shots outside. Everything I have filmed, you can do yourself too. No help needed. Sometimes I don't even use the OM4. The close-ups of the plants, for instance, were made with the iPhone SE. Two options are needed to help you do the trick: the slow motion and the AE-AF lock feature. The AE-AF lock is a feature inside your iPhone's camera that allows you to lock the focus and exposure values when taking a photo or a video. It's essential that the camera is focusing on your intended subject. So rather than letting the iPhone decide what to focus on, you should always set the focus point manually. To lock the focus and exposure point, simply tap and hold where your hand is on the screen for a few seconds. When you see AE-AF lock in a yellow box at the top of the screen, release your finger. Now, put your phone horizontally for YouTube or traditional TV videos, or vertically for Instagram, TikTok, etc. And swipe. See, no accessories needed other than your hand and body. Now, I wanted to feel my feet on the ground level. I used the tire of my car as a tripod. I have put the iPhone into slow motion and you know the rest. Be sure to start walking outside of the frame so you'll have the choice during the editing to use the beginning or the end of your recording. About the car. In this shot I was outside walking backward with my OM4 and the iPhone 12 mini, but on other shots I was the one driving and filming at the same time without the OM4. Very slowly, don't worry, and on a private property. I just extended my arm as much as I could. Same thing when filming those trees, no gimbal needed. Just use the slow motion option on your iPhone. And if you're still here and enjoy this video, do me a favor and hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so we can see each other more. If you want to have the list of every accessory I have used in my studio and during the shoot, except my car of course, you'll find the link in the description down below. Please use my link if you want to buy one of the items and I'll get a little discount from Amazon. Et les amis, if you haven't done it yet, hit the subscribe button so we can see each other next week. Take care. Salut. Be safe, take care of yourself and the ones you love.